In this video, I'm going to review the Matfer 11 7/8 inch black steel fry pan. This is a professional grade fry pan and it's available for a very reasonable cost. So the 11 7/8 inches is measured at the top of the fry pan and it has a cooking area of about 8 3/4 inches. I really like this size of fry pan because it allows you to do a couple of eggs quite easily, omelets, and you still have plenty of room and the pan doesn't get too heavy. This fry pan doesn't have any rivets or anything like this to penetrate the cooking area. The handle is welded on. The handle is pretty long. It's about 10 inches and it's got a really nice, comfortable feel to it. The first thing I'm going to do is thoroughly wash this with hot soapy water and then I'm going to season it according to the manufacturer's instructions. The manufacturer recommends seasoning this with potato skins, and I just happen to have some baked potatoes, so I'm going to take all these potato skins and I'm going to saute them with a fair amount of oil and a lot of salt. A lot of salt. So even at fairly low heat, sauteing for this long a time got the potatoes quite dark. So I'm done with this first batch and I'm going to dump this out and do it again. So a nice patina is already starting to develop just after 30 minutes of cooking and we are ready to go. I'm going to wipe this down with a paper towel and get ready to cook my first meal. One of the advantages of a carbon steel pan is it acts like cast iron in that it can brown, yet when you're cooking eggs, it can do it very gently and evenly without scorching them. This pan also is incredibly non-stick. It's as non-stick as any pan that I have ever used, and eggs just slide across here like a hockey puck. I was having so much fun cooking with this pan that I decided to try it on some chicken for dinner. It does a really good job of browning this chicken nice and even. And now you can take this directly into the oven to finish the chicken. This pan has exceeded my expectations in almost every way. It does everything really well, with the exception of tomato products. You don't want to stew something a long time in a black carbon pan because it will remove the seasoning. So other than that, the pan performs really well, especially with eggs and browning. And I tried it on all kinds of things and really enjoyed cooking with it. Cleanup proved to be very easy, and all you need to do is give it a light scrub under water and then dry it out on the stove just like you would a cast iron. And never use soap, and obviously don't put it in the dishwasher. I paid about $55 for the pan and I think it's worth every penny. I'll put a product link in the description below. Hey, thanks for watching my video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel.